Okay, so the next topic is about bases and alkalis. Bases are metallic hydroxides, means metals will be present with OH minus ions. See, ferric hydroxide where iron is in +3 state. Then ferrous hydroxide can also be included, FeOH whole 2, ferrous hydroxide, copper 2 hydroxide, NaOH, KOH, all these are metallic hydroxides or bases. Bases are metallic hydroxides. And what are alkalis? Alkalis are water soluble metallic hydroxides. That means the bases which are soluble in water are alkalis. All bases do not dissolve in water. Like for example, ferric hydroxide, ferrous hydroxide, copper 2 hydroxide, all these bases do not dissolve in water. So they are not alkalis. Only those bases which are soluble in water are called alkalis. That means there is a question, all alkalis are bases but all bases are not alkali. Alkalis are a special class of those bases which are water soluble. Only those metallic hydroxides, only those bases which dissolve in water completely are called alkalis. Otherwise, only having hydroxide ion will not make alkali. Ferric hydroxide is a base but not an alkali. Ferrous hydroxide is a base but not an alkali. Okay, now that means NaOH, KOH is water soluble. It is completely soluble in water. So these are alkalis as well as bases. But ferric hydroxide, copper 2 hydroxide, FeOH whole twice, these are only bases but not alkalis. Now classification of bases. The first classification is based on the strength. Based on strength, just like you have read in acids, acids can be strong acids, can be weak acids. Like that, alkalis can be strong as well as weak. So alkalis which undergo complete dissociation in aqueous medium, that means when they are dissolved in water, they will completely break down. Like for example, if I take NaOH, it will break down completely, Na plus OH minus. See, suppose if I take 1000 molecules of NaOH, then we will get 1000 Na plus ions and 1000 OH minus ions. That means they are completely water soluble as well as undergo complete dissociation. Strong alkalis are those which dissociate completely in aqueous medium, while weak alkalis are those which undergo partial dissociation. That means, for example, if I take ammonium hydroxide, suppose for example we have taken 1000 ammonium hydroxide molecules. So out of these 1000 molecules, only 200 molecules are dissociating, and we are getting 200 ammonium ions and 200 hydroxide ions. The rest 800 molecules are left as molecules only in molecular form. That means weak bases, just like the weak acids, undergo partial or incomplete dissociation. See, both undissociated molecules and ions are present together.